storygirl.com and San Diego's bestattractions.com. I am at the AC Lounge, which is in like the North Park, University, no, not really North Park, the University Heights area on 30th in near Adams. And I thought I would take a video. I was just downtown and now I'm here. So I thought I would make a video just to show you. It's really dark in here. It's a little lounge, diving bar, cool if you live in the area. You know, I'm sure you've been here. It's across super quick from Dan. So anyway, we're gonna go check out the AC Lounge. It's Boombox Thursday. I don't want to forget my drink, so I'm gonna grab my drink and we're gonna go out. I'm in the bathroom. I like starting my videos in the bathroom simply because you'll be able to hear me. This is the bar up here.